here's a how-to from Ratatouille. Today I'm going to teach you how to shuck corn in the middle of the night. Okay, grab these parts and pull. This is not hair or a wig. It's called the silk. Then you keep pulling this corn off until it's all off. This might take a minute. And pull it off till every last piece is off. See, this is what I call an outie, like the belly button. So you grab the outie and you pull it off, or you can twist it off. Okay, and this is what I do. Feed it to the birds or the snakes, whatever. Then you pull the bottom layer of the corn, and the silk is still on there. You'll have to pull all that off. We have one demonstration in here. This is the cleanest one. You have to have all the silk off. I almost got all the silk off of this one, but I was going too slow. And so you grab the end right here, or however big the corn is there. And if you want, you can get a parent or family member or your legal guardian to help you pull it off. Then you can feed it to the birds. That's all we have for today. See you later. Bye.